Vocabulary preview. Yesterday, I went to school. I went to school. Go to school. Every day, I go to school. Yesterday, I went to school. Okay, go, went. Okay. I go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Number 2, the hairdresser cut her hair too short. Hairdresser. Who is hairdresser? Hairdresser.
헤어드레스는 드라이기 아니에요?
Hairdresser. No. The person who cut your hair. The person who cut your hair. Hairdresser. Yeah, good. So you can choose your answer from
A.
the right side, the box.
F.
Good. F. The hairdresser cut my hair too short. Okay, too short. Cut my hair too short. Number 3. My hair looks terrible.
My hair looks terrible.
Terrible. What is terrible?
What's terrible?
Very bad. Okay, very bad.
True.
The pretty girl had a birthday party. The pretty girl had a birthday party. Good. The pretty girl had 가졌어요. A birthday party. Her pet snake. Do you have a pet? Do you keep a cat at home? Pet.
고양이요?
애완동물. Do you keep a pet? I have a pet dog in my house. Okay? I have a pet dog. Do you have a pet dog?
샛별.
What's her name? What's her name?
샛별.
샛별. Okay. Number 5. Her pet snake is too short. Not long. Okay? Not long.
네, 1번 뭐예요?
Yesterday. The day before today. Okay? The day before today. Good. Number 6. Her blonde hair was very long. Blonde.
D.
Good. Blonde. Yellow. Okay? Okay, let's read the sentences again. Okay? Yeah, number 1. Ready, go. Yesterday, I went to school. Number 2. The hairdresser cut her hair too short. Number 3. My hair looks terrible. Number 4. The pretty girl had a birthday party. Number 5. Her pet snake is short, not long. Okay? Number 6. Her blonde hair was very long. Her blonde hair was very long. A bad haircut.
A bad haircut.
A terrible haircut.
A terrible haircut.
Yesterday,
Yesterday,
I looked
I looked
pretty.
pretty.
I looked
Pretty.
pretty. I was happy.
I was happy.
I was happy.
I was happy.
I had long blonde hair.
Long hair.
I had long blonde hair.
Long hair.
But today,
But today,
I got my hair cut. I got my hair cut. Now,
now,
I don't like my hair at all. I don't like my hair at all. At all. 전혀.
전혀.
At all.
Hello.
It's short.
It's short.
It's very short.
It's very short.
It's too short. It's too short. It's hot.
It's hot.
It's too hot.
It's too hot.
I'm happy.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's too cold.
It's too cold.
너무너무 too. 너무너무 short. Good.
Short.
I look
I look
like
like
a boy.
a boy.
I look like
I look like a boy.
a girl.
A girl.
I look like a girl.
I look like a girl.
It looks like
I look like
it looks like a tiger.
a tiger.
Okay. It looks like
It looks like
an angel.
an angel.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
My brother
And my brother
laughs at me.
laughs at me.
Okay. 하하하하. laughs at me. 비웃어요. What a terrible hairdresser. What a terrible hairdresser. What a smart boy. What a smart boy. What a pretty girl. What a pretty girl.
A pretty girl.
What a beautiful world.
What a beautiful world.
Good. What a cold day. What a cold day. Good. What a terrible hairdresser. What a terrible hairdresser. Mom says,
Mom says,
I still look pretty.
look pretty.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
Okay. A bad haircut.
Bad haircut.
Yesterday,
Yesterday,
I looked pretty.
I looked pretty.
I looked pretty.
I looked pretty.
I was happy.
I was happy.
I had long blonde hair.
I had
Long blonde hair. But today,
today.
I got my hair cut. I got my hair cut. Now, I don't like my hair at all. It is too short. I look like a boy. I feel sad. And my brother laughs at me. What a terrible hairdresser. My mom says, I still look pretty. I love my mom. The weather is terrible. Ready, go. The weather is terrible. It's cold and rainy. Okay, number 2. This shirt is too short for my long arms. This shirt is too short for my long arms. Number 3. The hairdresser did a good job. Sylvia's hair looks pretty. Number 4. Every day I get up at 7 o'clock. Number 1. What's wrong? The answer, she doesn't like her hair. She doesn't like her hair because it was too short, okay? Number 2, which is not true? Her hair is black. Actually, her hair is blonde, okay? Number 3, what did she get? When did she get her hair cut? When did she get her hair cut? Today, okay? Today, she got her hair cut, okay? Number 4, what does the word it mean in the story? It is too short. It is too short. What is too short? What is too short? Her hair, okay? Her hair is too short. He is sick. He is sick. He looks pretty, terrible, short, blonde. 아프대요. 어떻게 볼까요? He looks terrible. Okay? Terrible. 끔찍해 보여요. 안 돼 보여요.
근데 B를 왜 써요?
B.
아.
Okay, number 2. Rosita's hair color. Rosita's hair color is good, blonde. Number 3. That flower looks very pretty. Number 4. The dog's hair is very short. Okay, great, very good.